How to back up your Chromebook, Android Central. I swap Chromebooks on a semi-regular basis, reviewing new models. Power washing an older one if it's doing something weird. Etc. When I do, I'm up and running again in literally 10 minutes because of Chrome OS's automatic sync and restoration. Part of what makes Chromebooks so dependable is that even when one unexpectedly breaks, most of your apps and data are waiting for you the second you log back in on a new one. Of course, not everything backs up automatically, though depending on how you use your Chromebook, it might be, so let's take a look at what does, what doesn't, and what you'll need to back up on your own. Installed Linux apps and Linux app data. This isn't backed up by default, but you can manually back up Linux apps in the Settings app where you first enabled Linux apps. Local Android app data. Some Android apps automatically sync data through third-party means, but some games do not. If it lacks an internal backup method, chances are you won't be able to back it up externally either. The Downloads folder in the Files app, everything saved to Google Drive is synced automatically, but the Downloads folder isn't. So keep that in mind when you're saving files locally. If you don't want everything synced from your Chromebook, you can edit the Chrome side of the automatic backup quite easily. This will only turn off the sync setting for the Chromebook you're currently on. You'll have to turn it off on every Chromebook you sign into manually. You also may have noticed no mention of Google Play Android apps here. Google Play will automatically install the apps your last Chromebook had. And so far, I haven't found a place to turn that off. In the Files app, you can save things in one of two places, as a local-only file in the Downloads folder or as a backed-up file in Google Drive. If you tend to just let things pile up in the Downloads folder over time and then go through to back up certain files in batches, here's the easiest way to do it on a Chromebook. While holding down the Shift key, click on a file you'd like to back up. If on a Chromebook tablet, long press the file instead. Use Ctrl+C to copy these files. If on a Chromebook tablet, tap the three-dot menu in the white bar above the file window and tap Copy. Use Ctrl+V to paste your files. If on a Chromebook tablet, tap the three-dot menu in the white bar above the file window and tap Paste. If you want to avoid having to do this in the future, you could save files to Google Drive instead of the Downloads folder to start with. With an i3 processor, a 13-inch 1080p touchscreen, up-facing speakers, and a backlit keyboard, the Lenovo Flex 5 is great for everyone, whether they want to watch movies or zip through a dozen article updates while stuck in an airport lounge. It's powerful, but excellently priced. There's a lot to look forward to with Android 11. But when will your phone actually get it? Here's everything we know. Samsung's new bean-shaped Galaxy Buds Live wireless earbuds have scored 8/10 on iFixit's repairability scale, thanks to an easy opening procedure and easily replaceable batteries. There are so many great Android phones to buy, so it can be tough to know which one to buy. These are the best of the best at each price point. If you are a frequent traveler and want a way to keep your Chromebook protected, then you are in luck. We have found and compiled a list of the best backpacks that you can get for your Chromebook in 2020. No spam. We promise. You can unsubscribe at any time and we'll never share your details without your permission. Era Wagoner is a writer at Android Central. She themes phones and pokes Google Play Music with a stick. When she's not writing help and how-tos, she's off dreaming about Disney and singing show tunes. If you see her without headphones, run. You can follow her on Twitter at @arawagco. Text source, androidcentral.com.